Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how you can now earn cryptocurrencies for watching movies with BitTorrent. If you are still struggling to make money or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. When you try to download larger files directly from a host server, the process usually takes longer and you have to wait longer. Use of torrent clients is one way to get these files quickly. Using torrents is always a great way to download large files like videos and software quickly and efficiently. Now, different torrent clients have different tools. BitTorrent is one of the best torrent clients that you can use to have a great time. Most important things to look out for in a torrent client are there are a lot of torrent sites online, so it's important to find the best one. The first and most important thing to think about is the speed of the download. The next thing you should think about is how many different things a site has to offer. Another important thing to think about is how safe the platform is. Keep in mind that you should never leave your data open if you want to torrent in a safe way. BitTorrent is the most important decentralized communication protocol in the world right now. It came out in 2021 and is a P2P torrent and a file sharing platform. Over time, the platform has added a lot of new tools, and BTT, its own token, is one of them. BTT came out in 2021 and its price is now $0.02 US, which is a drop of 1.42% in the past 24 hours. Since the token was first released, it has grown by a huge amount. Since the early 2000s, BitTorrent has been popular because it allowed people to save money by getting songs and movies for free and not having to buy CDs for movies. It was a great way to use BitTorrent, especially since you didn't have to pay for it. BitTorrent is also used for a number of other things right now. The BTT token powers BitTorrent Speed and the BitTorrent file system, which are both available on the platform. You can download things faster and in exchange, you get BTT tokens. Now, what makes it interesting is that you can get rewarded for just watching the content. You can earn BTT rewards by streaming on DLive, which is the streaming community of blockchain. The goal of BitTorrent is to change the way the entertainment industry has always worked. What kinds of wallets work best with BitTorrent? Since the beginning of the year, BTT has become more popular and many investors are looking into it further to see what it can do. If you want to buy BitTorrent, you should know about some good wallets where you can do so. Here are two of the best wallets you can use to buy BTT. TronLink is an open source wallet for the Tron ecosystem. It is recommended by the founder of Tron. It is an add-on for Chrome that makes it easier to use Tron blockchain. 2. Gather Wallet. You can use Gather Wallet to store many different crypto coins, including BTT. Since 2020, the wallet has been a part of the BTT airdrop program. People say that the Gather wallet is the safest way to get to BTT and other digital tokens. BitTorrent is a lot like Bitcoin in how it protects users and lets them share information without a central authority. After the BTT token came out, it got a lot of attention in the industry. The coin is definitely undervalued, and its price could soon reach its old highs. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.